Wow, the cosmos is putting on quite the show right now. Imagine a sky that's already bursting with jaw-dropping spectacles just as winter kicks off. From a colossal supermoon illuminating frozen landscapes to eerie halos that feel straight out of a futuristic thriller, and even a groundbreaking nebula shot that echoes the iconic Hubble images, this week's astrophotography highlights are nothing short of mesmerizing. These captures from passionate photographers worldwide make it hard to tell where our planet ends and the vast universe begins. Which celestial masterpiece has you hooked? But here's where it gets controversial. In a world full of pristine wilderness, can urban skylines truly compete in capturing the awe of the cosmos? Hunting the supermoon over Glastonbury Tor. UK astrophotographer Astrophotos Malone, https://www.facebook.com/profile.php?ID =6156484657127 embarked on a meticulously planned adventure to photograph the moon ascending behind Glastonbury Tor, only for an unexpected blanket of clouds to throw a wrench into the works at the 11th hour. Through skillful editing and rapid-fire shooting in a short 10-minute gap, he succeeded in keeping the entire scene within one frame. The outcome is a rich, detailed portrait of the supermoon, achieved using a combination of Nikon equipment, C-S50 technology, and deliberate post-processing techniques. Lunar enchantment amid the Rockies. Colorado's Kristen May, https://x.com/Kristen_May, seized an impromptu side trip and transformed it into a triumph with her image of the full moon climbing above Garden of the Gods, set strikingly against rugged mountain ridges. Her spur-of-the-moment decision to scout the park for the ideal vantage point resulted in a composition that's adventurous yet serenely cinematic, proving that sometimes the best shots come from spontaneous pursuits. A wintry halo spectacle. Winter's inaugural week didn't just give us a radiant full moon, it also staged an entirely different kind of atmospheric display. American storm chaser and photographer Tanner Charles, https://x.com/TannerCharlesMN, documented an impressive halo formation featuring a seldom-seen supralateral arc sparkling over the primary circle. The interplay of light layers and frigid atmospheric conditions elevated a routine morning into a surreal, otherworldly event. Think of it as nature's way of bending light like a prism, creating optical illusions that beginners might mistake for magic, but are actually rooted in science. And this is the part most people miss. While we marvel at these natural wonders, some argue that light pollution is eroding our ability to witness them firsthand. Do you think city dwellers are losing touch with the stars? The cold moon dominating the East River. Manhattan Bird Alert, https://x.com/Bird Central Park, composed a full cold moon supermoon as it majestically rose above the East River, morphing New York City's skyline into a bizarre, otherworldly canvas. Forget needing remote peaks or arid expanses. This is pure metropolitan enchantment, snapped right from the bustling heart of the sleepless city, reminding us that even concrete jungles can frame cosmic drama. Tonight, it ascends over the East River, viewed from Manhattan. Nebula captured amid urban glow. While the crowd was fixated on the moon, Joanna, https://x.com/JoeyNoble, aimed higher. This photographer snagged Orion's Nebula against the backdrop of a brilliant full moon and the pervasive haze of King's Winford. It's an image wrestled from challenging circumstances, yet it conveys profound cosmic dimension, ideal for newcomers to astrophotography, as it shows how perseverance can reveal hidden wonders even under less than perfect skies. The year's closing full moon. UAE-based photographer Ob, https://x.com/_obubika10, concludes the year with a subtly exquisite scene, the final full moon of 2025 bathed in a warm, subdued light, encircled by leafless branches and two shadowy birds. No fireworks or elaborate tweaks here, just a tranquil, unadorned vista that evokes the year's gentle exhale as it draws to a close. Reigns of heavenly higher. Celebrating the 25th anniversary of the International Gemini Observatory, Hawaiian students targeted NGC 6820 for Gemini North, a luminous emission nebula enveloping an open cluster of stars. The final product, dubbed ʻŌhiʻa, meaning the heavenly higher reigns, https://orbital-today.com/2025/12/09/new-cosmic-vista-invites-comparisons-pillars-of-creation, weaves advanced astronomical tech with Hawaiian folklore about higher forests. This tribute honors an observatory partly supported by the U.S. National Science Foundation and managed by NSF Lab, blending science and culture in a way that sparks debate. Is merging indigenous stories with modern science a respectful homage or a form of appropriation? December evening beneath a full moon. Atharva, https://x.com/arthextech, at arthextech via X, captured the December moon at nearly 99% brightness, radiating a cozy, circular glow over a solitary tree outline. Though straightforward, the deep blue heavens and nearly complete lunar disk imbue it with a peaceful, year-end ambience. Published by Space Enthusiast. An amateur rocket enthusiast with a keen interest in all space-related activity. Looking forward to the day when the UK starts launching rockets into space and I'm able to watch launches, from a safe distance of course. All posts by Space Enthusiast, https://orbital-today.com/author/space-enthusiast. What do you think? Does the rise of urban astrophotography democratize stargazing, or does it dilute the purity of natural night skies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear if you agree, disagree, or have your own controversial take on how we capture the cosmos.